Here I have Huawei P30 and let me show you how to set up this device. So at first you have to select the language. As you can see, there's a wide list of languages, so everyone will find something suitable. For example, let me pick English United Kingdom. Actually, that's the one that I need to have. And then tap on Get Started. Now it's time to select the region. I will pick Australia. And then tap on Next. Here you've got the terms of usage, which you should be aware of. And once you read all of this, just tap on Next. You can insert SIM card if you want to do it now, but I will skip it. And then you can import some data from your previous phone, from your Android device, iPhone or iPad, Huawei Cloud or Google Backup account. But I will skip it now as well. Now you should connect with your Wi-Fi. In my case, it's HardReset.Info. It's connected, as you can see here, so I will tap on Next. And now just give your device a while as it's checking for updates. It may take up to a few minutes, but it will definitely take less than that. And now you can log in with your Google account if you have one, so you can use either your email number or phone number, or you can create an account if you do not have one, but I will log in with mine. It's HardReset.Info. @gmail.com and tap on Next. Then you have to enter the password. As you can see, if you will tap on eye icon, you will see what you are typing, so it's very useful. Let me enter mine out of the screen. And as only your password is typed, just tap on Next. Now come along with all terms of service. If you will click on them, you will be able to see and to read all of it, also the privacy policy. Tap on Close once you end the reading, and then just tap on I agree if you do, of course. And here are some Google services which you can enable or disable. You can have a backup to Google Drive, or you can switch it off. You can use the location, allow scanning, and all the others. So it's actually up to you what you will agree for, and then tap on Accept. And now you can add your fingerprint also if you want to, or use some Huawei advisor, but we'll skip it for now. Also skip all those settings. So as you can see, here is the fingerprint, face unlock, password, but you can set it up later and check all the possibilities, then select the more suitable option. I will join it later and enable and continue. So as you can see, now you can set up your device. You can change the wallpaper, change the sounds and all the others, the brightness. Do whatever you want with your device. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.